Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. So, we passed the combines in less than 48 hours. All right, so we got funded, back funded again in less than 48 hours, back to max allocation with Top Step. And today was a very, very, very easy day. We expanded pretty heavily over Asia session last night, and yeah, it was basically just a market open short, bro. There really wasn't much to it. The draw was really clear, and we were moving towards the draw. So you short. You just keep it as simple as possible. That is my philosophy whenever I trade. All right, so not only did we do 20K on the day today, I'll give you guys a little refresh as well. Again, same old shit, right? We did 20K on Top Step, and then on top of that, I also took this on my alpha accounts. So did 6K on my alpha accounts, and I just need $300 more to take a payout, to take a 9K payout on these accounts. So I'm pretty excited for that. I'm gonna get that tomorrow or maybe the day after. I don't really know, but I only need $300. So posted it in my Discord, not the actual trade, but the actual, I do trade recaps, right? So I just posted my P&L for the day. I've been doing it all the way since like May, every trade that I take. But yeah, with that being said, let's now get into the actual trade that we took. All right, so if we go to the hourly time frame, when we go to the hourly time frame, you can see, all right, let's go 1 hour later. If I can skip, please. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Just skip really quick. All right, there we go. Okay, so as we can see, NQ was dumping. All right, we had an overnight expansion from Asia session, like around 400 points, right? Or actually, I think if we go to a 5, actually, so more like a 350 point expansion. All right, so I look at the 4-hour time frame, and we see that we have a low right here, okay? We have this low right here, and we already took out this low. But basically, what I was looking at was pre-market, and I saw that price was moving higher around. We can go to the 5-minute time frame as well to actually show this a little bit more clearly. Actually, no, my bad. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame, right? So as you can see, we are slowly moving up. Looks like ES took out this low before, right? So there was, kind of like a SMT where NQ and ES took out some lows, I think right here, yeah. So like NQ took out this low right here, and ES didn't. So there was a SMT, but we were so bearish on the day that I wasn't expecting this SMT to hold. And okay, great. Let's go back again. All right, great. So what do we see here? What do we see here? All right, we retrace into this gap right here. All right, so this is pre-market. Boom, we retrace out of it. And then what do we get out of it? We get 2 nice displacing candles. So this was a pre-market short. I enter off of the middle of this candle right here. Somewhere, actually, no, towards the end, I'm not gonna lie. I put my stop at the body highs, at the swing high right here. And then I am targeting this low, this 4-hour low. Pretty simple. I was expecting market open to deliver us lower, and that's exactly what we did, right? If we play out the candles, we retrace into this gap, and then we immediately shoot lower. I go break even after this low right here. Or actually, no, my bad, wrong low. After this low was taken, go break even here, and my day was pretty much done in 4 minutes. So that's 26K on the day in 4 minutes. Very, very easy, very, very simple trade, literally just following the trend and targeting a higher time frame drawn liquidity. Yeah, so with that being said, that was basically it. If you're already not in the Discord, go ahead and join. I'll leave it in the description below. It's completely free. And also with Alpha Futures, they extended their promotion So you can get 25% off. I really like the zero accounts. I have 3 100K zero accounts. No activation fee. And if you use code AB, I'll also leave that in the description below, you can get 25% off for the people that are watching this video today. They're doing a Labor Day sale and they extended it to today. So get your accounts, use code AB. And yeah, hope you guys learned something from this video. I will see you guys in the next one.